Tired of memorizing irregular verbs the hard way? Let me show you a smarter way. Irregular verbs don't have to be a nightmare. What if I told you that many of them follow patterns? Let's break them down into easy categories that make sense. Category 1. A. All three forms are the same. Structure. Base equals past participle. Examples: cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Let, let, let. Shut, shut, shut. Set, set, set. Memory tip. These verbs are too lazy to change. Category 2. A, B, B. We change only the first form. Structure. The base form is different, but the past and past participle are the same. This is the most common pattern. Examples: buy, bought, bought. Leave, left, left. Feel, felt, felt. Make, made, made. Say, said, said. Memory tip. 1 step forward, 2 stay the same. Category 3. ABA, base and past participle match. Structure. Base equals past participle, but the past is different. Examples: come, came, come. Run, ran, run. Become, became, become. Memory tip. They go back to who they used to be. Category 4, ABC. All three forms are different. Structure. Base, past, and past participle are all different. These are the most irregular of the irregulars. Examples: go, went, gone. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Begin, began, begun. Write, wrote, written. Memory tip. They love drama and change. Category 5, IAU. Structure, base with I, past with A, participle with U. Examples: sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Ring, rang, rung. Begin, began, begun. Memory tip. IAU sounds like a song. Sing, sang, sung. Category 6. Rhyming and similar endings. These verbs often sound playful. Examples: blow, blew, blown. Grow, grew, grown. Throw, threw, thrown. Know, knew, known. Memory tip. If it rhymes, it shines. Category 7. The VIP exceptions. These are must-know irregulars that don't fit nicely into any group. Examples: be, was, were, been. Have, had, had. Do, did, done. Memory tip. You'll use them every day. They're grammar royalty. Now it's your turn. Let's play the irregular verb challenge. I'll say the base form of a verb. You pause the video and try to say the past tense and past participle out loud. Ready? You get 1 point for each correct form. So if you get both past and past participle right, that's 2 points. There are 10 verbs total, so a perfect score is 20. Let's go! What are the past and past participle of begin? Pause now. Ready? Begin, began, begun. Example: she began the book, but hasn't begun chapter 2 yet. Next one, cut. What are the forms? Pause and say them. Easy one. Cut, cut, cut. Example: Yesterday, I accidentally cut my hair too short, and now it looks like someone has cut it with garden scissors. Verb 3, take. Take, took, taken. Example, she took the wrong backpack by mistake, and by the time she realized, someone else had already taken hers. Verb 4, go. Go, went, gone. Example, he went to class early, so by the time I arrived, he had already gone to the library. Verb 5, come. Remember to pause. Come, came, come. Example, she came to the party late, but luckily, everyone was happy she had come at all. Verb 6 is write. I know you know it. Write, wrote, written. Example, I wrote a poem, but I'm not sure it's well written. Verb 7, have. Have, had, had. Example, we had a great breakfast after we'd had some coffee. Verb 8, eat. Eat, ate, eaten. He ate the entire pizza by himself, and now he says he's never eaten so much in one sitting. The 9th verb is sing. Sing, sang, sung. Example, the students sang so beautifully at the school concert that everyone thought she had sung before. The 10th and last verb is know. Know, knew, known. Example, I knew it. He's always known the truth. Tell me your score in the comments. And if you want a printable version of this quiz or a cheat sheet, check the link below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one.